In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Made in Webflow on website. Let's start inside your Webflow project. Open the site you want to update, then head into the site settings. This is where most of the publish and branding options live, so it's the right place to make this change. Once you're in site settings, go to the General tab. Scroll until you find the Webflow branding section. Here you'll see a toggle that controls whether the Made in Webflow badge appears on your published site. By default, it's typically set to On. If you try to switch it, Webflow will show a notice explaining that hiding the branding requires a paid site plan. That message includes a link you can follow to add a paid site plan, so click through to Continue. On the Plans page, you'll see the full range of options. You'll notice a $0 per month option. That's great for experimentation, but it keeps the Webflow badge, so it won't remove the branding. For that, you'll need to look at the paid website plans. Explore the paid choices to match your needs. You can click into the basic plan to see what's included and confirm whether it fits a simple, static site. If your site uses dynamic content like collections or blog posts, click into the CMS plan to review its features. At the time of recording, you'll see pricing such as $39 for the CMS option, which covers most content-driven sites and removes the Webflow branding. Choose the plan that fits your project and proceed with the selection. After your plan is active, return to the site settings in the General tab and revisit the Webflow branding section. Now that you're on a paid plan, you can turn the branding toggle off. This change applies to future publishes, so there's one final step to make it live. Publish your site. Use the Publish button to push the update to your chosen domains. Once the publish completes, visit your live site and refresh. The Made in Webflow badge should be gone. If you still see it, clear your browser cache or check that you published to the correct domain. Quick tips before we wrap up. Make sure you're editing the correct site if you manage multiple projects, confirm you're on a website plan, rather than just a workspace upgrade, and remember that anytime you adjust plan settings, you'll need to publish again to see changes on the live site. That's it. You've removed the Made in Webflow badge.